So you're thinking of becoming a mortgage broker. That is a smart move. It's a career that offers flexibility, strong earning potential, and the satisfaction of helping people make one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. But what does the career progression look like in this industry? What are the steps, the challenges, and the opportunities that you might face as you grow your business? Well, let's break it down in this video. So the first thing when starting out is you need to get qualified and gain experience. So before you can call yourself a mortgage broker, you need to be qualified. The most common route in the UK is completing what we call the CMAP exam, which is a certificate in mortgage advice and practice. Some people fast track this in a few weeks. Others, though, might take up to a year alongside their existing job. Now, once you've got CMAP and you're qualified in that space, your first decision is, do I go employed or self-employed? So let's talk about being an employed broker, so working for a firm. If you start in a firm or a bank, you're going to get a steady salary, training, and a structured environment. You might not earn as much upfront in commission, but you'll gain experience without the pressure of running your own business. Now, with self-employed brokering, which is under a network or DA, which is directly authorized, if you go self-employed straight away, you're likely going to work under a mortgage network, which provides regulatory cover and lender access. This route offers greater earning potential, but it comes with challenges like finding clients and managing business costs. Either way, though, the first 12 to 24 months, first real 2 years, is going to be all about learning. It's about understanding lenders, getting comfortable with compliance, and most importantly, figuring out how to attract and retain clients. And let's talk about that mid-career. So you're going to scale up and you're going to start building a reputation. After a few years, you'll have some key decisions to make about your growth. The main paths mortgage brokers take at this stage include the following things. Number one you have is specializing in a niche. So many successful brokers find a niche that helps them stand out. So this could be things like first-time buyers, self-employed, buy-to-let, high net worth, adverse credit. Specializing as a broker would allow you to become the go-to expert in your field, making it easy to attract referrals and command higher fees. The second thing you could consider doing is building a brand and generating leads. At this stage, experienced brokers realize they need a strong online presence to grow. So whether that is through SEO, social media, or content marketing, the brokers who build their brand attract more of the ideal clients they want. So for example, Anish Patel, who's one of my coaching clients, he transformed his mortgage business by focusing on authentic content that spoke to his ideal audience. Instead of chasing the leads, he now attracts them to him because of his personal brand. Let's talk about the senior level, which is becoming a business owner or an industry leader. Once brokers reach a point where they're fully booked with clients, the next step is to scale their business. And you can do that in a few ways. They can start to hire their own team or start running a firm. Some brokers choose to hire and train new advisors and build their own brokerage, and that will allow them to step back from client work and focus on leadership, business development, and long-term strategy. You also have this idea of being able to become an industry thought leader. So many top brokers build their reputation beyond their day-to-day work by sharing insights. And they do this through podcasts, through YouTube channels, through public speaking at industry events, writing articles for the industry press or guides. All of this stuff creates new opportunities in the industry and maybe even new career directions. And the third one you could look at is transitioning fully into financial advice, moving beyond mortgages to manage their clients' broader wealth. So pensions, investments, this type of stuff does require additional qualifications, but it has a significantly higher earning potential. So what should you know before you start? Well, the first 1 to 2 years are all about learning and survival. Expect a steep learning curve, long hours, and income fluctuations, especially if you're self-employed. Your ability to market yourself is as important as your technical skills. The best brokers are great at attracting and converting clients, not just processing applications. There's no one-size-fits-all career path when it comes to being a broker. Some brokers love being self-employed, others thrive in employed roles, some build firms, others stay solo, but command really high premium fees. The ceiling is high if you're willing to grow. Whether you want a 6-figure income, a team of brokers, or become a thought leader, mortgage brokering offers multiple paths to success. Now, if you're thinking about becoming a mortgage broker, click on this video here, which is my deep dive into everything you need to know once you've passed your CMAP in order to build a thriving mortgage business. Go on, you don't want to miss it. And if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer, drop them in the comments below and I'll check them out.